The NCVER API integration feature allows for the uploading of EvetMIS submissions directly out of aXcelerate to NCVER's EvetMIS validation software, or AVS. Furthermore, once uploaded, you'll also be able to validate those submissions in aXcelerate and view errors without logging in to the AVS. The feature requires some initial setup before it can be utilized. If this has not been done in your account, please refer to our video on setting up the NCVER API integration feature. Once the feature has been set up in your account, you'll notice that your EvetMIS reporting area now has an additional filter called Validation Type. The options within it are aXcelerate, Upload to NCVER, aXcelerate and Upload to NCVER. The aXcelerate type refers to our pre-validation tool that runs basic error checks against your submission. The Upload to NCVER type will generate a submission and upload it directly to the AVS. Note that upon choosing the Upload to NCVER type, you will be restricted to certain fixed collection periods. These are pulled straight from the periods specified in the AVS. The combined aXcelerate and Upload to NCVER will first run your submission through our pre-validation tool and then offer an opportunity to send it to the AVS afterwards. This is a good way to perform a preliminary check on your submission and clear some of the more obvious errors before uploading your data into the AVS for full validation. Once a submission has been generated and uploaded to NCVER, you can view details on it by going to Reports, NCVER Validation. Here, you'll be able to see all of your uploaded submissions as per their collection period. By clicking the magnifying glass, you can go into a specific submission and validate it. If any of your NAT files contain errors, this will then be immediately shown. You can click on the error count to see what they actually are as well. Clicking the magnifying glass next to a given error will run a system search to try and locate where the problem is in aXcelerate, allowing for easy data cleanup. Note that this will open the area in a separate tab for your browser, and that the magnifying glass will be colored in. This helps you keep track of which errors you've already looked at. Once you have cleared your errors, you can return to the EvetMIS reporting screen and re-upload a given submission period, before returning to the NCVER validation screen to validate the new upload. Though you will be able to perform a full validation of your EvetMIS data through aXcelerate, in order to finalize a submission to NCVER, you will still need to log into the AVS portal. Once you've successfully cleared your NAT files for all errors, simply sign in, click the appropriate submission period, and then click the Finalize Submission button. Lastly, for state-based EvetMIS submissions that require AVS validation but will not need to be finalized with NCVER, you are able to download your NAT files at any time by clicking the Download NAT Files button against any given submission period in the NCVER validation area of aXcelerate. Simply perform the validation process as you would for an NCVER submission, but instead of logging into the AVS and finalizing it, download the NAT files and send them to your designated state reporting body.